Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. These flaps are to be used with our finishing caps, which are sold separately. These will need to be installed first. You can find the finishing cap install video tutorial in the description below. Once the caps are installed, the next step is to remove the interior screw on your wheel well as shown. Next, we will install two of our custom clips onto the mud flap. Take your two clips and slide them into the mud flap as shown. Ensure that the metal tab on each of the clips slides into the corresponding slot on the flap. Once the clips are in place, secure them using a pair of flat washers and cap screws. Next, install a spring nut, with the nut facing outwards, onto the outermost hole of the finishing cap. Then attach the flap to the inner wheel well using a supplied flat washer and screw. When attaching the flap, ensure you place one of the supplied nylon washers on the back of the flap as shown. With the mud flap in place, we will now attach our custom clips behind the fender liner as shown. As you are attaching the clips, maneuver the flap so that its outermost hole lines up with the spring nut we previously installed. With everything lined up, secure the flap to the spring nut using a cap bolt and flat washer. Next, we will secure the final two holes on the flap using the supplied screws and flat washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.